We are going to create a pattern stamp on that surface. We will take the different patterns here and using the pattern stamp on it. So add a paint around it. We will take it. Here are the further option. Take it. We will use the different designs. Change the foreground color. Try to add a paint with different colors. Here is a further one. Choosing a new design. Add a paint. Still we will take another option.